If you're looking for some free shares to get started with investing, then keep watching as I go through the options that are available and all the free shares that I got. There are a few options in the UK and I'll have all the links you need to get started down in the description below. Each one takes less than 5 minutes and of course it's free, so if anything you're losing money by not doing it. You could be sitting here £1,000 richer after watching this video. And remember, you can always just sell the shares immediately and withdraw any money you might have deposited straight away. And to start off, we have Freetrade. Freetrade are quite a popular platform in the UK. They do commission-free trading and allow you to trade UK stocks but also US stocks as well. Free share that you get could be worth anywhere between £3 and £200. The one I got, not too sure how to pronounce it, but it's SABESP. And this share is in a waste management company in Sao Paulo, worth roughly £5, but you could just as easily get another share like Microsoft. For this one, you have to fund your account with at least £1 to get started, and it will take a few days for the share to appear in your account. Just click through the referral link down below. The second one is probably the most popular platform, Trading 212. Again, this one comes with commission-free trading too. The free share from this one could be worth anywhere up to £100, and the one that I managed to get was in Smile Direct Club, and that one's also worth about £5. For this one, you also have to top up a minimum of £1, and a share will be available in your account within 3 business days. Next on the list is a company called Stake. Now, Stake originated in Australia, but now they're available in the UK too, and they specialize in US stocks. With this one, you'll get one of 3 shares, the first of which might be Nike, which is currently trading at $166. You could get Dropbox, which is roughly $31 at the moment, or you could get GoPro, which is about $10. The one that I got is GoPro, and it's actually gone up in value ever since I got it. For this one, you'll have to top up £50 and there'll be a currency exchange fee, although the value of the free share that you get, even if you sell it straight away, will cover this fee, so it's definitely still worth it, especially if you get the Nike share. It's quite a cool way you get it. There's a little wheel and you spin it and it'll give you one of the 3. The fourth one on the list is called Tickr. Now, Tickr is a slightly different investment app that are focused on impact investing, which means investments that generate a social and environmental impact alongside the financial one. Here, instead of free shares, you'll get £15 free when you top up £5. And not only that, but you'll get 2 trees planted as well. These are the main ones, and as I mentioned, the links are below to take you straight there. Let me know what free shares you got in the comments below. If you got some value out of the video, then please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.